I'm Chef Bugsy and this is Get Veganized. Get Veganized is a vegan baking and cooking channel where I take your carnivorous recipes and turn them into your favorite vegan recipes. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you to subscribe, like, and comment. Tell me where you're coming from below. All right, let's get started on today's recipe. All right, today on Get Veganized, we're gonna make some not nog. That's eggnog without eggs. Eggless eggnog. All right, to start off, we add 2 cups of your favorite nut milk to my blender cup. To this, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of soaked cashews. Next, I'm going to add a 1/2 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Followed by a 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup. Then I'm going to grind some fresh nutmeg into the blender cup. Like so. Now we'll screw on the lid, blend it up, and give it a taste. It smells like eggnog. This is what it looks like, kind of frothy. Now you can add rum or some other kind of brandy or something to it. I like mine plain. I'm going to top it off with a little more nutmeg. And there you have it. Eggless eggnog. What an awesome flavor. This is a winner. Thanks for watching. Have a happy holiday, and we'll see you on the next video.
Hey, you!